What's up, everybody? Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Take a look at this true SS 1972 Nova with a 454 4-speed Hurst shifter, HOLLEY CARB, 12-bolt rear end with a 373 gear, hooker headers, Flowmaster exhaust, power steering, power brakes. Unbelievable. Black Betty had a child and this thing went damn wild. This thing is just absolutely beautiful. The paint is a 10. Look at that stance. Just one beast. YENKO clone. Straight. Total restorated car. We're gonna go through this puppy. Great ass. Check underneath her skirt. Nice. Built for speed. Drives amazing. Just got done driving it and it has power that doesn't want to stop. Old school hubcaps on there. Thin tire in front there. All the chrome in front is great. All your grills and lights are good, and everything is working from turn signals to lights. Wipers are working. This thing just lines up beautiful. Pretty much all original panels on this too. All the glass all the way around is in excellent condition. All your chrome around the windshield is good. Front fender, no flaws whatsoever. Lines up exactly the way it should, all the way throughout. Door to quarter. Rear glass, great. Rear quarter, original. I've got full description on our website at mgmclassiccars.com, everything that's been done to this car. Rear chrome bumper's in good shape. All your lights, like I said, are working. Look at how she lines up. And when she runs, she runs. She's tight, no noises. Rear quarter, good. Another original quarter. Roof line, good. Look at the way it lines up. Sorry about the sun. Fender to door, great. No flaws that I could find whatsoever in the paint. Inside's been done excellent. Rear deck is good. Seatbelt's intact. Sun visor's intact. Front bench seat. All your weather stripping's good. Door panel. Look at how nice this has been done. How's that for factory welds? All carpets in good shape. You got your tack here, everything's working properly. Odometer reads 89,741. Dash pad's great. Aftermarket gauges, they're all working. 4-speed, Hurst shifter. Nothing to talk about. I mean, this thing, wipers are working. Let's check out the trunk. I'll get some photos online as well as underneath. It's super, super clean. All original. True SS. No disappointments with this car. None whatsoever. Look how clean it is underneath here. It's just fresh. Done right. Let's fire up this wild child. Tilt steering wheel, nice option. Fires right up. Stay with me here. Look how clean it is. Aluminum radiator. All your hoses and belts are fresh. Beautiful inside. This car is turnkey. You don't have to do anything to it. Drive it anywhere. What a car. 1972 True SS Nova YENKO clone. Beautiful car. If you want to do any financing with us and you're anywhere from a 640 to a 739, please go directly to our website, mgmclassiccars.com. Find the car, hit apply now, 10% down. We'll go as far as 84 months. If you're a 740 and above, please go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Usually approval within 24 hours, sometimes no money down, up to 84 months. Great rates. We've got over 120 cars in stock, ready for immediate delivery. All our pricing, description, videos, and photos are online at mgmclassiccars.com. If you have any questions on any of our cars, if you have questions on shipping, because we ship all over the United States, opened and enclosed, bonded and insured, call me or text me at 773-600-0919. My name is Earl. Again, that's 773-600-0919. We are located in Addison, Illinois. We are open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Saturday from 10 to 2, by appointment only. You could text me or call me at 773-600-0919, and we will get you in and set up an appointment. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also like us on Facebook. Hope you enjoyed this beast. Black Betty wants to come home to you. Bye.